So hello everyone, today we'll learn how to convert a video in PowerPoint. So you open your PowerPoint that you want to convert into a video, as you can see here on my slides, and then you click on a slideshow and you click on record the slideshow. So you will have this screen will open, and as you can see here you have record here, and even below here you will have colors that you can select from. So I will click on record, and as you can see 3, 2, 1. So now I can start to talk. For example, I say types of computers. If I want to underline something, I can just select a color here and I will underline. I can even circle it and it will be saved in my video. So here we have laptop, for example. So I want to underline these things. I can even change the color and do this, even highlight things. But I want to highlight this, I can do it. And the last one is personal computers. I want to highlight this, for example. I can even change the color for highlights. Even if I want to erase this, I can do so. Then when I finish recording my video and I finish talking, for example, I just click on stop here. I click on escape on my keyboard, and then if I want to hear what I recorded, I just click on this logo here and I will. So now I can start to talk. For example, I say type. So I will have my recordings on each slide. So how to convert it into a video? I just click on file and then I click on export, and then you can see here create video. I click on create video. I can choose which format I want it to. So I want it in full HD, for example, and then I click on create video, and it will ask me where I want to save it. So I want to save it on desktop in a folder called convert, so I will save it there. As you can see here, creating video types of computer, so it will take a few minutes to convert depending on how long your slide is. The longer the slides, the more time it will take, so we'll wait for it to finish. So as you can see, it has finished converting the video. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go where I have saved the video. So it is on my desktop, and I will click on the folder that I created it and open the video. As you can see here, my video is open. So this is how you convert your PowerPoint into a video. So thank you everyone.